Join me as I dive into the world of homeschooling and taking on the challenge to keeping toddlers engaged in the learning process. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Tina and I share about family life, homeschooling, and passive income on this channel. Kindly subscribe. When it comes to homeschooling, many parents face the hurdle of keeping the attention of their toddlers. It is essential for us to know and understand that these little ones have a short attention span. However, we also have to try our best to get their attention, because once we are able to get their attention, it sets them up for the love of learning and lifelong success. As parents, we have all gotten to a point where we try to teach our kids, but then we are met with lack of interest, resistance, and tantrums, which can be frustrating and disheartening. Sometimes we do ask ourselves, are we doing the right thing, or are we even cut out for homeschooling? One of the main reasons toddlers lose interest quickly is that they are not developmentally ready to sit down for a long time. I'm telling you, if you get your toddler to even sit down and pay attention for 1 minute, it's a win for you. Also, their attention span is limited, so you have to note that. Many times we decide to go with a traditional way of teaching, but that is not stimulating enough for the curious minds of our toddlers. Many parents struggle to find innovative ways of engaging their toddlers, and this is where the frustration sets in. And we feel like we are failing, or our children or our toddlers are just not cut out for homeschooling. However, the truth is, with a little bit of creativity and patience, we can transform their learning experience and make it fun and engaging for both them and us. Hands-on learning is an excellent way of keeping toddlers engaged. So by incorporating this into their lessons, you spark their curiosity and then also help them learn through experience. For example, if you are teaching them shapes, you can create a shape sorting game using everyday objects around you, or a shape themed sensory bin. This way, they will be more invested in the learning process, which will make it easier for you and your toddler. Interactive play is another way of getting your toddler's attention by singing, playing around with them, and then also using their favorite toys to act out stories for them helps keep their attention. The most important thing here is to make learning fun and interactive. It's not about always presenting them with worksheets and textbook, making them sit down. That one, you are going to lose their attention very fast. So when you incorporate hands-on learning and interactive play activities in your toddler's teaching process, you raise a toddler who is able to think creatively. You raise a toddler who becomes a problem solver, and then also you raise a toddler who is confident and has high self-esteem through the learning process or through exploration. So in summary, it is important to keep your toddler's attention in homeschooling because it helps with their development and success. You should use effective strategies like hands-on learning, interactive play, and incorporating their interest. These can make learning fun, engaging, and interactive for your toddlers, and you are sure to keep their attention whilst teaching them at home. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share your experiences in the comment section. Kindly share this video with other homeschooling moms, or even moms or parents who are not homeschooling their kids. Remember, on this channel I share about family, homeschooling, and then also about passive income. Thank you. See you next time.